Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to let someone join your Patreon for free using the mobile app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap your profile picture at the top right corner and then select settings. Then tap creator page to manage your membership. Now look for membership tiers. Here you can see all the tiers you offer. You need to have either a free tier setup or you can waive for a specific supporter. To waive a please tap your Patreon or manage Patreons. Find the person you want to give free access to and tap waive please. Patreon will ask you to confirm. Once you do, they can join and access your content without paying. If you want to create a free tier for anyone to join, tap add tier, set the price to $0 and subscribe what perks they get. Save it and anyone can now select that tier to join your Patreon for free. And that's it. That's how you allow someone to join your Patreon for free using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.